So 10 years before Monday's decision of Ghaziabad Sessions Court of awarding death penalty to Waliullah Khan on the 7th of March 2006 serial blast that happened in Varanasi, the then Samajwadi Party government in the state had sought for a legal opinion for the withdrawal of the cases of some terrorists, including Waliullah. Now on the 23rd of November 2012, the Allahabad High Court ticked off the SP government for seeking to withdraw cases against two suspects in the serial blast case, which claimed the lives of 28 people, and asked if it was not to encourage terrorism. Let me go across to Amir now. Amir, exactly what was the point of view of the then Samajwadi government in the thought process of withdrawing cases from some of these terrorists?
Well, Amita, this was a stated policy. In fact, this was part of the Samajwadi Party manifesto when it contested the 2012 assembly elections in Uttar Pradesh, that it will look for chances. It will fight for such quote-unquote innocent Muslim youth and others from within the Muslim community who have been framed on terror charges. Now, this was something that the Samajwadi Party about 10 years back then did to enthuse the Muslim voters to gain the minority votes, and that has been the stated policy of so-called secular parties like Samajwadi Party and the Congress Party in the past. And now, of course, 10 years hence, it does look very unlikely for a party like Samajwadi Party to make such a poll promise ahead of any big election. But way back then in 2012, this definitely was a part of the Samajwadi Party manifesto, in which they make direct promises to the minority community that all such accused who have been booked under terror cases, and remember, there were very, very serious cases that were lodged against accused, and the accused were in jail, were in judicial custody then, whether it was the Rampur CRPF camp attack of 2001 or the 2006 Sankat Mochan and Varanasi Cant railway station blast, or the 2007 blast in various courts that actually took place from Gorakhpur, Varanasi to Ghaziabad to Lucknow. All such accused came under the ambit of this poll promise that was made to the voters by the Samajwadi Party. And then you would obviously remember that Samajwadi Party came back to power in Uttar Pradesh with a thumping majority then, with Akhilesh Yadav leading the charge, taking over the baton from his father, Samajwadi Party chief, then Samajwadi Party chief, Mulayam Singh Yadav, and Akhilesh Yadav was then christened as the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh.